Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best digital piano for pianists that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Yamaha YDP 145 digital piano. One of the outstanding features of the YDP 145 is its weighted GHS mechanics. It perfectly captures the essence of an acoustic piano by being heavier in the lower keys and lighter in the upper keys. This dynamic ensures an authentic feel, making the transition from digital to acoustic, or vice versa, a breeze. With 3 piano-style pedals, performers can create authentic sustain, sostenuto, and soft pedal tones. This feature, in particular, elevates the YDP 145 to a professional level, reproducing the complex nuances that one would expect from an acoustic piano. An often overlooked feature of digital pianos is their ability to reproduce space, or resonance, in sound. The tone escapement of the YDP 145 solves this problem with a brilliant design solution. It has a long, narrow opening at the back that widens the soundstage and provides a wider sound spread, adding depth and dimension to each note. Finally, the icing on the cake is Yamaha's VRM, Virtual Resonance Modeling, light technology. By mimicking the complex resonance of acoustic piano strings, VRM makes the sound more realistic, adding layers of sophistication to every performance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yamaha YDP 144B digital piano. At the heart of the Yamaha YDP 144B there is the CFX Premium Grand Piano voice technology, which effortlessly recreates the robust and resonant tone of Yamaha's famous CFX Concert Grand Piano. This essence is further enriched by the weighted GHS mechanism, which carefully recreates the feel of an acoustic grand piano by being heavier in the lower keys and lighter in the upper range. Another notable feature is the semi-damped control pedal, which allows pianists to fine-tune the sustain, offering a more nuanced and expressive performance. The USB to host connection allows musicians to seamlessly interact with a variety of devices, expanding their musical possibilities. One feature that really stands out is the Virtual Resonance Modeling, VRM. This innovative technology is a game-changer, recreating the complex resonance of the soundboard, rim, and frame to provide the natural feel of an acoustic piano. The fact that this resonance can be felt even when wearing headphones is a testament to Yamaha's commitment to creating an authentic sound experience. At number 3, we have the Yamaha YDP 165 digital piano. To begin with, the graded Hammer 3, GH3 technology is an exemplary feature. What immediately caught my attention was the ivory synthetic key tops. With its 3 piano-style pedals, the YDP 165 offers a dimension to playing that is often reserved for high-end digital or traditional acoustic pianos. CFX stereo sampling doesn't just reproduce sound, it brings the resonant tones of Yamaha's acclaimed flagship CFX Full Concert Grand to life. Another brilliant design touch is the tone escapement trigger. By using a long and narrow hole in the back of the piano, it expands the sound space of the instrument. However, the main highlight is undoubtedly the VRM, Virtual Resonance Modeling, light technology. By mimicking the complex resonance of acoustic piano strings, it blurs the lines between digital and acoustic sound, delivering an unparalleled experience. At number 2, we have the Donner Dep 10 digital piano. One of the hallmarks of the Donner Dep 10 high-end digital piano is its versatility. With 8 distinctive tones ranging from classical acoustic piano to resonant church organ, the Dep 10 ensures that the player has an entire orchestra at their fingertips. Particularly impressive is the dual-tone setting function, which allows you to mix 2 tones simultaneously, opening up the possibility of richer, more layered compositions. And thanks to 128 polyphonies, every note is reproduced with crystal clarity, ensuring that chords and arpeggios sound lush and uninterrupted. Sound quality is of the utmost importance, and the DEP 10 does not disappoint. Two powerful 25-watt drivers bring every note to life, ensuring that your music fills the room. Complemented by triple pedals, audio inputs and outputs, and an MP3 player, this digital piano promises a complete immersive experience whether you're practicing alone or performing in front of an audience. Functionality meets creativity with the DEP-10's versatile features. From adjustable metronome beats to help you time yourself, to selectable trills, suspension, and DSP effects to add flavor to your tracks, musicians can experiment to their heart's content. And finally at number 1, we have the Roland RP107 digital piano. For those who fear complicated controls, the Roland RP107 is a relief. Its user interface is both simple and straightforward, making it easy to operate even for the uninitiated. The authenticity of its sound and playability can be attributed to the superior sound processor and keyboard that are usually found on more expensive models. When it comes to performance, supernatural piano technology sets itself apart with its outstanding sound quality. This renowned Roland feature promises deep expressiveness, ensuring that every note you play resonates with emotion and clarity. But it's not just about the sound. The 88-note PHA-4 standard keyboard ensures that players can experience a touch and response reminiscent of an acoustic piano, bringing an authentic feel to every session. The built-in stereo speaker system further emphasizes the piano's craftsmanship. It produces a rich, full sound that brings every melody to life. Plus, with 256 notes of polyphony, players can explore even the most challenging pieces without compromise, ensuring a continuous flow of music.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.